Make a great choice today with the 2018
Buick Envision.
This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, roof rails, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, rear view camera, leather trim seats, heated seats, airbags, front knee, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee.